I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Terminal, because that gives you a command line interface to macOS. Once Terminal is open, run echo $shell to know whether you use bash or zsh, since dot files differ. If you need package tools, install Homebrew now. It streamlines commands and permissions. Make sure to allow terminal access in system settings if prompted, and set up your user account password for sudo. These steps ensure the environment is ready for the actions that follow. You will navigate the file system and execute commands. This is the core workflow. Use cd to move between folders and lsla to inspect contents and permissions so you avoid surprises. When editing, pick nano for simplicity, vim for speed, or OpenE to launch text edit from the command line. Run programs by typing their name and prefix with sudo only when necessary to modify system files. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, use history or tab completion to speed repeated tasks. You wrap up by exiting cleanly and knowing how to recover if things go wrong. Close running commands with Ctrl+C, and if a process hangs, find its PID with ps-aux grep name and use kill-9 PID. If output is odd, tail fsystem or app logs to see real-time errors and make targeted fixes. If configuration errors persist, move your ~/ bash profile or ~/ zshrc to a backup name and restart terminal to test a clean shell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.